Clef is a multi-agent workflow that enables interactive, iterative music composition with large language models via Claude Code, combined with a MIDI station and player in the form of a Godot plugin. While working on a demo game for another plugin, I found myself in need of background music. I was worried about copyright and licensing issues when grabbing music assets online, so I started thinking about generating it instead. Why not use Suno or similar music generation platforms? Because they're expensive, not well suited for game music needs, and with platforms like Suno that directly generate full tracks, there's basically no way to make adjustments to the final piece. I realized that large language models have been trained on quite a bit of music theory knowledge and music composition datasets. So I wondered whether I could treat music as a process of semantic and textual reasoning and hand it over to an LLM to handle. After some research and discussions with Claude, GLM5 Turbo, we came up with a multi-agent process modeled after a real-life composition studio workflow. It consists of a leader and composer, other musical roles, and a reviewer. At different checkpoints in the workflow, the composed pieces, in ABC notation, are converted to MIDI. They can be reviewed in Godot using Clef's MIDI station and player. At its core, Clef is a multi-agent composition studio. Leader handles scheduling, while composer, harmonist, and rhythmist each write one instrumental part. Reviewer checks the work, and revisionist fixes the formatting. They all collaborate via ABC text, iterating until the score meets the standard. In Godot, the MIDI mixer supports SF2 sound font swapping, event logging, and solo track diagnostics. When you feel something sounds off, but can't quite pinpoint the issue, you can listen to the melody, harmony, or individual instrument tracks in isolation to quickly locate the problem and have the leader make targeted adjustments. Clef currently runs on the skill and agent system of Claude Code. In the next steps, perhaps I'll look into building a standalone orchestrator that can work with local models like Chat Musician, making the entire creative process fully open source and private, and truly integrated into the game development pipeline. But that might be something for after the first release.